Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're making a delicious treat that's both healthy and super easy to make, Sesame Coconut Almond Bites. These little bites are packed with flavor, and they're perfect for a guilt-free snack or dessert, so let's jump right in. We're starting with 2 cups of ground coconut. But, to get a finer texture, we're going to grind it just a little more. This step ensures our mixture will be smooth and creamy. Give it a few pulses in your food processor or grinder until it's nice and fine. Next, take 2 cups of raw sesame seeds and toast them. Keep your stove on medium heat, and make sure to stir continuously so they turn a beautiful golden color without burning. Now that they're perfectly golden, it's time to grind them. This will take about 5 minutes in a grinder or food processor until they turn into a thick, creamy paste. Once your sesame paste is ready, add in your finely ground coconut, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 3 tablespoons of stevia sweetener. Continue grinding or mixing until everything comes together into a creamy, smooth consistency. Now, grab your muffin tin pan and line it with silicone liners. Pour the mixture evenly into each section. For that extra crunch and a little flavor twist, sprinkle some crushed almonds on top of each one. This adds a nice texture and richness. Pop the muffin tin into the fridge for at least an hour. This will help them to firm up and give them that perfect texture. After about an hour, your sesame coconut almond bites are ready to serve. They look amazing, and trust me, they taste even better. These are a great snack for anyone looking for something healthy and delicious. Thanks for watching, and I hope you try out this recipe at home. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Heaven's Kitchen for more healthy and tasty recipes. See you in the next one.